Hey, it's me, Anne. I'm an illustrator and designer from Australia, and I want to share my vector illustration process with you. Today, we'll be looking at how to draw scenery in Adobe Illustrator. Let's get started! First off, I'll create a background for the sky so that we have a color to work from. You can then use the pen or pencil tools to create some nice looking hills. I've also included some of the color codes here if you want to use them. To create the clouds, I use circles and a rounded rectangle and then combine them all together. I duplicate the cloud and change the color darker to create the shadow. For the foreground, we will create some leaves and bushes. To make the leaf, I create a circle and I press Shift-C and click the two corners that I want to make pointy. Normally for the objects that are closer to you, they'll be darker in color value. And when something is further away, usually it gets lighter in contrast to the background. Now we will explore the gradient tool. I really like the nice effect that it gives you when you use them subtly. You can add 2 or more colors to the gradient. Let's revisit some of the previous objects and add some depth by using the gradient effect. When choosing colors, work from a palette and keep experimenting to see what fits better. Remember to think about the contrast between these objects so that they are distinct to one another. I now want to add some details for the finishing touch to the scene. I'm adding some lines to show reflection on the water. And also some sparkles around the scene. Now I want to move this finished piece into a circle to make it fancier. Create a new artboard and the shape that will contain it. You can also use other shapes like arch, triangle, and many more. Select all the elements and then copy and paste them into the circle shape. And you're done! You can also create other landscapes like snowy hills, flower fields, oceans, and many more. I hope you liked this quick tutorial and I'll see you guys again next time.